YouTube. So I decided that I'm going to start to record and document more of my highlights during my week. So I'm starting to do a lot more spontaneous things. It's giving me a good excuse to get better at content creating and to document and share and keep my journals of where I started, what I'm doing, what I want to do, and how far I've come. So hopefully you guys can gain something from it, if it's a smile, entertainment, if it's some motivation or knowledge. But without further ado, sit back, relax, and enjoy the video. So just did another overnight shift, haven't slept today, and I'm up in 3 hours to go for a hike because I need to create content because the grind never stops. But I am tired, I'm not gonna lie, but I'm happy, I'm excited, I'm loving the process, and I know that even though I'm working at a supermarket, I'm saving, I'm planning, I'm working, I'm grinding. I know what I want and I'm working for it. No excuses, not compromising, I'm sacrificing, but it's gonna be worth it. But like when I went to Latvia, like no one even knows where Latvia is. No offense, but like not a lot of people know where Latvia is. But when I went there, I had an awesome experience, and it just made the trip better. Yeah. So I think it boils down to like just the experience here.
Yeah.
So yeah, nothing against Bulgaria. Just boring.
So basically, you need to redo Bulgaria. I need to redo Bangkok.
100%.
I love Thailand. I just didn't resonate with where I was.
Dog shit.
Mark's almost hit 6K on YouTube.
Oh, stop it. Mr.
Grinding.
35,000 on Instagram.